Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Buddy Heater Hose is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone who owns a portable heater. Whether you're camping, working outdoors, or just need some extra warmth, connecting your heater to a propane tank safely and efficiently is paramount. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to ensure a secure and reliable connection, so you can stay warm and cozy. Number 5. Mr. Heater Big Buddy Hose with Regulator. This is a propane hose assembly designed specifically for the Mr. Heater Big Buddy indoor-outdoor heater. It ensures a safe and efficient connection for your heating needs. This hose is a reliable choice for your heater. The hose features solid brass fittings for durability and a secure connection. These fittings are built to last, providing a reliable seal. They ensure the hose can withstand regular use. The POL connection allows you to connect directly to a 20-pound propane tank. This makes it easy to set up and get your heater running quickly. It's a convenient and straightforward connection. The regulator reduces high pressure from larger propane tanks. This ensures the correct pressure is delivered to your heater. It helps to maintain optimal performance. It includes a handle for easy tightening and a female connector that fits standard fittings. This makes it simple to connect and disconnect. It is designed for user convenience. The hose is 12 feet long, providing flexibility in positioning your propane tank. This gives you plenty of reach for your setup. It offers convenience and ease of use. This product comes with a 1-year warranty. This warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that the manufacturer stands behind the product's quality. It ensures customer satisfaction. What we like. This hose features solid brass fittings for a secure connection. It connects directly to a 20-pound propane tank with its POL connection. If you need a reliable and long-lasting hose for your Mr. Heater Big Buddy, this is the one to choose. It offers a safe and efficient way to power your heater. What people say. It has a quick disconnect on one end to connect easily to the Big Buddy heater. The 12-foot hose is long enough generally to place the bottle outside with the hose through a small opening in a window or door. This quick connect hose works perfectly to attach a 20-gallon propane tank to a Mr. Heater Big Buddy heater. Number 4. SHINESTAR 12-foot propane adapter hose. Introducing the SHINESTAR propane adapter hose. It allows you to connect your portable propane appliances to a larger 5 to 20 pounds propane tank, saving you money in the long run. This adapter eliminates the need to constantly buy those costly small cylinders. This hose is compatible with a variety of appliances. It works with Mr. Heater Buddy heaters, Blackstone grills, Coleman camp stoves, and more. This makes it a versatile solution for all your propane needs. The 12-foot hose provides plenty of length for flexible setup. You can easily position your appliances where you need them. It offers convenience and ease of use. The SHINESTAR hose features a sturdy design. It's made from high-quality rubber and durable brass fittings. This ensures a secure and sealed connection for safe operation. The adapter uses a standard QCC1 fitting. This makes it simple to connect to your propane tank. Get yours today and enjoy the convenience and savings. What we like. This adapter hose is cost-effective, saving you money on disposable cylinders. It is compatible with a wide range of appliances, including buddy heaters and camping stoves. If you are looking to connect your portable appliances to a larger propane tank, this hose provides the flexibility and reach you need. What people say. Works great. Buy it if you have a 1-pound can and want to use a 20 pounds or bigger. Works great. There is not much to explain because this propane hose adapter just works exactly as it should. We used it to connect our portable grill to a standard-size propane tank and it did the job flawlessly. The connection was secure, there were no leaks, and the grill fired up with no problems at all. Number 3. Mr. Heater F273703-144 12-foot propane hose. This hose assembly features an Acme nut X1 to 20 connection, ensuring a secure fit. It's designed for easy and reliable use with your propane appliances. The hose assembly includes a durable brass fitting. This high-quality component ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to corrosion. With a 12-foot length, this hose provides ample reach and flexibility. It allows you to position your propane tank safely away from the appliance. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust in its quality and craftsmanship, knowing it meets high manufacturing standards. The product comes with a 1-year limited warranty. This warranty offers peace of mind, protecting your purchase against defects in materials and workmanship. What we like. This hose features an Acme nut connection and durable brass fittings. It's proudly made in the USA. If you prioritize a reliable, American-made product for your heating needs, this hose assembly is a great choice. What people say. Hooked up to my Mr. Heater Buddy 9000 BTU unit and 30 pounds propane tank. It worked as expected. The Mr. Heater hose is flexible and well made as any item conducting flammable gas should be. Works well, and I like how easy it is to connect-disconnect. Number 2. Mr. Heater Buddy Series Hose Assembly, 10 feet F273704. This is the Mr. Heater Buddy Series Hose Assembly. It's designed for use with the MH9B Portable Buddy and MH18B Big Buddy heaters. This assembly ensures a secure and reliable connection. The 10-foot-long hose provides ample reach. It eliminates the need for a fuel filter, simplifying your setup and use. Both ends of the hose tighten securely, preventing leaks. It's designed to not leach oil into the fuel stream, ensuring clean operation. The POL connection attaches directly to your propane tank. This makes it easy to set up and get your heater running quickly. The assembly measures approximately 3 by 9 to 7/8 by 11 inches. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty, offering peace of mind. What we like. This hose is 10 feet long and eliminates the need for a fuel filter. Both ends tighten securely, ensuring a safe connection. If you want a simple, reliable hose for your Mr. Heater Buddy heater, this is a great option, providing ease of use and peace of mind. What people say. The hose is well made and durable. It is easy to connect and disconnect. The product works perfectly with the Mr. Buddy heater. Number 1. GASPRO 18-foot propane hose adapter. This adapter lets you connect a larger propane tank to your portable appliances. It eliminates the need to constantly replace those small, inconvenient canisters. This makes your grilling and heating much easier. It works with a variety of appliances, including Coleman stoves and Mr. Heater heaters. This adapter is a versatile solution for all your 1-pound portable propane appliance needs. The 18-foot hose keeps your propane tank a safe distance from your heat source. This ensures the safety of your guests and belongings while you enjoy your outdoor activities. Made from durable materials, the hose offers both flexibility and longevity. The brass fittings provide a secure, leak-free connection, giving you peace of mind. The brass connector provides a reliable fit to your propane tank. You can trust this adapter to provide a secure and dependable connection for your propane needs. What we like. This adapter allows you to connect to larger propane tanks, eliminating the need for frequent replacements. Its extra-long 18-foot hose ensures a safe distance from your heat source. If you need a long, durable hose for your Mr. Heater or portable grill, this is the perfect solution for extended use and safety. What people say. This hose has worked wonderfully for us. It works with our Big Buddy heater without issue. If you need the extra space between the propane cylinder and the item to fuel, this hose will do the trick. Threads are nice and clean, everything is crimped right, reasonable quality hose, no leaks anywhere, which is kind of critical for a propane hose. Bought this so I can connect my Buddy heater inside RV to outside 20 pounds tank. This hose is more flexible to straighten out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.